What up, YouTube? In today's video, we're going to be reviewing and installing some LED lights I got sponsored by this company right here. We're going to be installing these. I already have some LED lights, but you know what? I think these are actually brighter. They are going to come out with the LED conversion kit for the main bulbs on this car. But for right now, I'm just going to install these. Looks pretty gas. I'm gonna open up the package and let's check it out what we got in here. Overall, packaging looks pretty good. I like it. So let's open it and check it out. All right, so I opened it. So these are high brightness, long lasting, plug and play, and off road. So these can get wet and you don't have to worry about it, you know, blowing up like the rest of the other ones if it's not LED. So let's open this thing up real quick and let's show you what we got inside. All right, guys, this is actually really cool. The company actually gives you instructions on how to install it. This is the first time I've ever seen a company actually go their way to tell a client how to actually install the light bulbs. Like, look at that. That is so fucking cool. I never even knew a company would take this far to give you instruction on how to install a light bulb. That is so crazy. I love that. And look at these lights. Jesus. These look beefy. Bro, the ones I have right now are not like this. These things look beefy as hell. Look at that. Quality looks so good. It actually has a little bit of weight to it. But you know, the flimsy ones don't have any weight. This literally has a little bit of weight to it. That's freaking crazy. So, let's go install these on the Z. This shit's gonna be looking so gas. I like the fact that it's actually gray and not like shiny. So let's go install these. All right, guys, once you guys have the rim taken off, you see this fender liner right here. There's a little bit of tabs, but I really don't have that many tabs holding this thing in. I think I only have like literally just one tab. But I'm gonna take this off and show you where the bulb is. It's really easy to access. You guys won't have a hard time accessing this bulb. It's really simple to put on. So I'm gonna take this off and show you how to do it. All right, guys, once you have that top taken off, if you guys are having a hard time, just get a screwdriver, put it right there in between, right here, and then you just twist it, it comes off. All right, guys, so as you see, it's gonna be the top bulb right here. You have this little connector right here, and then I already have it out, so I just gotta take it out completely, but just having a little fussle. There it is, as you see. So now I'm gonna pull it out and then install the new one. And just like that, the old one is out, as you see, non-LED, as you see. Cool. So I'm gonna get the new one right here. We're gonna install that and see the difference. Bro, there's gonna be a huge difference because I did not know that these were these actually. That's so cool. All right, now I got the new one. I'm gonna plug this in. I'm so sick that they actually send me the cool ones. Like, I did not even know that these took these. I thought it was DSO2s. This is so dope. I can't wait to literally see this in the fucking nighttime. This thing's gonna be dope. All LED, including the main light bulb. Like, what? That's W's right there, chat. And boom, just like that, everything's installed. I installed this last, so I just put it in, twisted it into a locked, put in the locking mechanism, and then attach the cable. So fucking easy, chat. Like, oh my god, this is LED. Everything's LED now. That's W's. That's so sick. Put this inside here. That's so goddamn cool, guys. I'm gonna put everything back on and check it out. And just like that, we have the light installed. You can see the difference right now. I'm gonna show you actually the difference. As you can see, you can obviously tell. Amber, LED. I'm so happy, bro. Look how clean that looks compared to, like, come on, man, come on now. But look at that. So I'm gonna do the other side and I'm gonna do a preview like this and see the complete difference. And just like that, both of the headlights are on. The main bulb on the 350Z is LED now. Thanks for OXILAM for, you know, giving me these freaking W lights. These things are super bright. Awesome. Hella W in the chat for them. Love the way the freaking Z looks. It looks even better now, so there's no more freaking yellow. And that was literally the final piece, the main LED bulb. Thanks, OXILAM, for sponsoring this video. Check them out, guys. I'll link in the description for the 350Z headlights. These things are fucking W's. So go cop some.